Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between there, and there. It's very common for English language learners and even native English speakers to get confused how to spell these words since they sound exactly the same. Let's learn the difference between these three words. There, spelled T-H-E-R-E, is an adverb that means in or at that place. Examples: you don't need to go to the supermarket. I went there yesterday and got everything we needed. Have you been to Paris? I want to go there this year. In this first sentence, there refers to the supermarket. In the second example, there refers to Paris. There is also used as a pronoun that introduces the subject of a sentence or clause. Examples: there are no single men at the party. There is a chance I will get a promotion this year. There, spelled T-H-E-I-R, is the possessive case of the pronoun they, meaning belonging to them. The women brought their laptops to the meeting. This means that the laptops belong to the women. The children played with their presents at Christmas. This means that the presents belong to the children. There, spelled T-H-E-Y''-R-E, is a contraction of the words they and are. Examples: they're sisters, which is the same as saying they are sisters. They're coming to the meeting. They are coming to the meeting. Now let's review some sentence examples mixing there, and there. They're going there tomorrow. Will there be an open bar at their wedding? There is a light on in their house. They must be home. Now it's your turn to practice. Your homework is to write sentences using there, and there. Write your sentences in the comment section of this video. I hope you enjoyed this mini lesson on the difference between there, and there. Make sure to subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. And if you have any friends or family who also want to improve their level of English, send them a link to this video or to my channel. Thanks for watching!